Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kritika and I do post makeup related videos on this channel. And in today's video, I am recreating one of the look of Amrita Rao from film Vivah. So without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. I'm going to start by applying a moisturizer, and this moisturizer is from Vivah. And after the moisturizer is done, I'm going to apply liquid lipstick on the top of my cheekbones and on my chin and a little bit on my nose. I like to apply my blush on my chin because it makes my face look more elongated as I have round face. And now I'm blending it out with the help of a beauty blender. After that, I am taking this concealer and contour palette from Kiss Beauty, and I have picked the contour shade and I am applying it on the hollows of my cheekbones, on my jawline, on my forehead. And now I am using this foundation from Maybelline Fit Me, and I am mixing this foundation with this illuminator and applying it all over my face, and then I'll blend it out with the help of a beauty blender. When you apply your product in this way, your makeup looks more natural, and in the picture and if you have seen the movie, her makeup looks so natural as if it feels like it's her skin, but there is makeup on her face, so I'm trying to achieve that. Now I'm taking this concealer from Swiss Beauty and I'm applying it under my eyes, and then I'll blend it out with the help of a beauty blender. And after that, I'll apply the concealer over my eyelids, on my nose, on my cupid's bow, on my chin, and on the sides of my nose and the sides of my lips. And again, I'll blend it out with the help of a beauty blender. I'm applying the concealer on the center of my forehead, and then I'll blend it out with the help of the same beauty blender. And now I'm setting my concealer with the help of a compact powder, and I'm picking the powder with the help of this beauty blender, and I'm dabbing it all over my face, mostly on the areas where I applied the concealer. And now it's time to fill in the brows, and I'm brushing my eyebrow hairs upwards with the help of a spoolie, and then I'll be filling it. And I'm filling my brows with the help of an angle brush, and I'm picking a grey shade from the eyeshadow palette. Once my eyebrow is done, I am using the same liquid lipstick and I am applying it on the top of my lid, and I'll blend it out with the help of my finger and with the help of brush to smooth the edges. And now I'll apply a shimmer shade on the center of my lid, and I'll apply some colors onto my lower lash line as well. And I'll finish this look with the help of a mascara, and this mascara is from Maybelline. I'm applying kajal onto my waterline, and then I'll try to smudge it a little bit with the help of an angle brush. And now I'm picking up this pink shade from the eyeshadow palette, and I'm applying it on the apples of my cheek. And now I'm applying highlighter on the highest points of my face. like my top of the cheekbones, my cupid's bow, my chin, my nose, and on the center of my forehead. And I'm also highlighting my brow bone and inner corners as well. And I'm applying this lip balm over my lips, and it's from Himalaya. And after that I'll be applying the same liquid lipstick. And after applying the lipstick, my makeup look is complete. This makeup look is very easy to create, and you can wear this makeup to any occasion and you would look so beautiful, so elegant. And I can say this is one of the effortless makeup look, at least for me. So yeah, I hope you guys like this look and enjoyed watching my video, and if you do, then please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. And I'll see you guys with a brand new video. Till then, bye, take care.